you're lurking for? Come on. Come over here. There you go. Somebody's happy.
The left 2 lanes.
God damn it, Siri.
Onto California 1 South.
We're heading up to go change out a furnace and a condensing unit at a residence. I got my banana. Been getting my Cliff Bar. I like the oatmeal ones. Oatmeal raisins, Cliff Bars. Oh, and then I got this motor and stuff for that swamp cooler I got to change out. We'll see if we get to that this afternoon. You can see we got the socked in Monterey sunshine right now.
Continue on California 1 South for 1 mile.
It's so foggy, it might as well be raining. Look at that. All right, let's get up there and let's try and make a video today. It's been a while. NorCal Dave's been in a video rut. I missed a good one for you guys this week. I had this capsule pack unit with all the Ketatherm stuff inside of it. Electronic expansion valve, circuit board, sensors, and the way they have it, the condensate water overfilled and killed the control board. Well, it was like 7 at night. I don't stock those parts, so I had to rip all of it out. Mechanical thermostat, mechanical expansion valve, and then rewire that thing. And now it'll work for a long time for them. But I missed a good video opportunity for you guys. How to rip all that stuff out and make it mechanical. Anyways, let's get up there. So I gauged up on it. There's no gas left in this thing. 0. It's so foggy, it's like raining. Look. Some redwoods. So, thermostat wire been spliced before right here where it comes out of the house. That's line set. I'll have to check that line set. See if it's any good. Look at this. Make sure that's off. Yeah. Okay. Battery charging party.
It's all flares. No,
It's going down. We're gonna sweat all that stuff in.
Okay.
Crack a H.V.A.C. right there. And oh, the big one's over here on this side. You get it? Right there.
Good things. Doing good things.
That's the big one right there. And, oh yeah, right there. There's another one right there. Crack it. I'll show you the furnace later, but these little Navacs for air conditioning are just fine. And it's different than refrigeration where we're making a repair and we're pulling a vacuum against the compressor and all the dirty compressor oil. But just a line set with a new coil, I'm at 242 in like no time. 241, and that's with the Yellow Jacket 3/8 by 1/4 inch 3H vacuum hose with the little Navac battery. So, refrigeration repairs are a whole nother ball of wax. This air conditioning stuff, this stuff's fine. Man, it works great. Probably 15 minutes or less, We insulated the inside suction line. We did a couple things in there. We're down to 235. So we're going to get this thing tested out here. I got to tidy up, man. My dirty paws were up there. Dirty paw Titus. There she is running. Reuse the old rusty disconnect. Check. Team Bryant. Come on, I'll go show you the furnace. Here's the furnace and the A coil. Line set, flue pipe, condensate drain. Bryant. Running, not too shabby. Just have to insulate the plenum on top. There's the carcasses. All right, I gotta go fix a freezer. Walk-in freezer. We'll bring you along. I gotta take my kid. I had to go drop the kid off, and then I got a freezer and then a motor to put in a swamp cooler for this freezer. And you'll hear it short cycling. There she goes. Probably low on charge. Let's take a peek. I'm gonna keep getting a detection by the condenser here. Keeps going off. I haven't really found one anywhere else. I am going to put some soap bubbles on some return bends on the evap coil, but keep getting a hit right in here on the condenser. Guess I'll throw some soap in there and see what happens. Yep, right there. Son of a gun. Let's see. You just got to throw a cookie up here and I can get up here. But I soap bubbled all the good, the usual suspects in here and nothing's bubbling. So I'm going to go back up to the roof and check that condenser where we're getting a hit, man. Condenser, and we'll see how long it takes for the gas to leak out. We're at 20. ECM, you hear the ECM motors. Hocus pocus. Oh, the air conditioning in my house, look at this. That was a tough install. Window open. Got to plug it in. I got it on number 3. Let's see, let's put it on high. There we go. I'll be chilling right there. Let's get over there and see how it feels. Look at that. Whew, let's give that thing a try. Whew. Now that is nice. Air conditioning. That's good. Parts over there I got to install.